Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Tixie from Magic West Tarot, and this is your most requested Charms Pick a Card reading. What is next for you, friends? Yes, what is coming next for you? The weekly reading is here, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic West Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram, friends. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwednestarot.com. Friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, this is timeless reading, friends. You can watch it anytime. It will still help and resonate with your situation. And if you want to buy a personal reading, friends, 2022 reading or any other reading, you can visit our website for bookings. Yes, I'm right now also currently booked, friends. I know you guys are waiting for a long time. Phew, but if you booked recently, I'll be giving your readings in a day or two. So yes, and you can watch your own 2022 pick a card readings. The links are in the timestamps. I have also done these readings in Hindi, Urdu. You can watch them on the other channel. The links are in the timestamps. And so let's see first what's happening astrologically this week. Well, it's a powerful week because Jupiter is moving into Neptune, which will bring us the energy of spirituality. And the most important thing is Mercury will be going retrograde. Yes, yes. So, expect delays this week, expect communication blocks also. We will see with each pile what will happen, but that's a general theme, but it's in Aquarius. So, you may also feel certain mental blocks this week because Mercury is retrograde in Aquarius. So, yes, that's intense. So, let's take a deep breath. Let's start the reading. Let's take a deep breath, relax, and choose option number 1, the manifestation card. Woohoo! Very nice. Such a beautiful card. I have my bag of charms here. Option number 2, expect miracles. Option number 3, divine timing. So relax, take a deep breath and choose option number 1, option number 2, option number 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section so you can directly go there and skip to your option. Also, you can watch the entire reading or choose more than one option. Yes, and this is a chance reading. So let's begin with option number 1. So, option number 1, let us see how this week or what's coming next for you if you chose the manifestation card. Oh, this is a very powerful card. I feel you're praying for something, you're manifesting something, or this is more of a high vibrational week for you. We'll see it in detail, but I do feel this is a good week for you, and this is a very focused week for you. I feel like, you see this, you're very focused here. Look at this. You are in prayer or in meditation, or your focus is very intense this week, which is wonderful because considering there is a Mercury retrograde starting from this week, so well done if your focus is good. We all need that through the Mercury retrograde, and a bit of patience. Yes. So these are your oracle cards and advice, and these are your tarot. Then we're gonna see your charms. So hang in till there, and let's see what is happening. Hoo-hoo! 8 of Cups. So definitely I feel currently you want some change and you are trying desperately to change something in your life. I do feel maybe you are bored of the current world situation. You are like, I'm fed up, I need some change. Or I do see some of you are moving out of a relationship, or you are moving out of some situations, like you are done with it. You are like, I need some change. Like if you are single, you are like, I'm going to manifest something for me, somebody for myself. I'm going to change my life. And you are in a, I feel usually 8 of Cups is a very sad card, but I feel this is like a card of power for you. Like you have decided to change things or take things in your hands, like this is a very powerful card. This is not at all feeling like sad. This is not feeling like painful, but this is more like, I want to change my life. I take responsibility. I will change my life. That's how you are feeling currently. And I do feel you are frustrated a little. You are also feeling like, ooh, I need some break. I need some change. I need some change. You want to change certain things in your life, and you are ready this week. You are absolutely ready to change certain things. I also feel if you were struggling with something from the past, you will find a relief from that. You know, if you were like there was some baggage, some loans, some payments which were due from the past, you will find relief from the past and clearing away. Baggage is removing from your life, and that's a great energy. Oh wow, this is a very, very powerful week for you, friends. Look at that. The Wheel of Fortune, yoo-hoo! And we just started the reading, so wow, this is going great. So, definitely, this is a very destined week for you. Do not take it very lightly, do not take it very gently. That is why you are so focused, because this is a very powerful week. You have a lot of luck, a lot of energy is around you, so please utilize this energy to manifest something good in your life, manifest good things, a change, a positive change in your life. I do see pile number one, some of you are actually worried what to manifest, or what to change in your life, or how to create a change in your life. I think, friends, you are doing a great job. It's just that you haven't seen the results. That's why you are doubting yourself, but you are doing a great job at manifesting. I also feel some of you will be able to quit some bad habits which you had, like you were not able to work out, or your routine was not so good. So you will be able to break out of that rhythm. I don't know, something is there that you want to break free of, and you will be able to do that this week. That's interesting. I also feel there is a lot of potential magical energy this week for you, friends. You can use it either way, for art, creativity, luck, for your career, for your love life. There's a lot of things available to you this week. So please make sure to set a wish list, make your prayers, meditate, think what you want, and start acting on it, because I see this is a magical time for you. And I see a lot of fishes here. So fishes is a Piscean energy. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. I also feel that the Jupiter moving in Neptune is also a good move, or a good. It will favor you astrologically in bringing you abundance and money. So if you do anything with your career, if you are positive, it will be a positive result. I also feel this week is like amplified in some way. Like if you do one action, it will automatically turn to 10 actions. So it is an amplified week. So if you are frustrated, that will also be amplified. If you are angry, amplified. So try to stay positive, because when you're positive, it will also, double up. So yeah, that's the energy. I also feel you have been going in circles, round and round, round and rounds. You have been feeling really stuck, friends. But this is the week when things start to move ahead for you. I feel like just keep some patience this week, and you will see some noticeable differences in your life, or changes coming in your life in the coming days. So if you are in a mood to give up, please don't, because change is coming for you, and it's very, very near for you. Page of Pentacles, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important for you. Wow. I do feel that the opportunities you are waiting for, they are coming in your life. The career opportunity you are waiting for, the love you are waiting for, or the job you are waiting for, it's coming for you, friends. It's coming. I also feel, you know I also feel you don't have to try so hard to be famous, or so hard to be, this is not that week where you try hard. No, this is a week when things come easily to you. Why? Because you are positive, you are powerful, you believe in yourself. And self faith, self belief is something that's attracting a lot of happiness and success for you this week. So stay positive and stay self confident. I also feel a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person could be important for you in this week. This could be a lover, this could also be a child, this could also be somebody from work that's important for you. I also see some money related issues will happen for you, or some news about new work, or you getting some interview calls, that will also happen. Another thing that you need patience is with money, because Because Mercury retrograde in Aquarius will affect your money sector, pile number one. So you could face some delays in getting your money, your payments, or if you are transferring money from the banks, there might be certain delays there, and you are like, oof, what is this? Oof, oof. Patience, patience. But I think eventually things will absolutely go in your way because you have the Wheel of Fortune. You are very, very powerful this week. Also, your focus is very high. Anything you start this week, it will be great for you. I also feel this is a week of planning rather than starting. I know I said anything you start will be well, yes. But this is not just start, also planning, So this week you can plan and take appropriate action. So planning plus preparation is very, very important this week. The more you plan and prepare, the better your results will be, the better your career will be, love life will be. I also feel this may be a study week for you. Like there is not a lot of ups and downs. You just by the you start the week and then it just finishes, and you are like, where the week go? It just flew by, and yes, that's how it is going to be. A very, very quick week for you. You will feel mostly happy, mostly focused on your work and career. Your focus is extremely high. Yes. I also feel for certain things you have to dig deeper. Like you are trying to figure out some solution of a problem or some past issues. You are trying to figure out the solution, resolutions. You will have to dig deeper than the surface. I do feel if you are trying to do things in a similar way this week, it will not help. But if you change the way you are doing things, or you change the way you think, that's the trick you need to do this week to make it a more amazing week for you. So do it, friends. And Six of Cups, oh my god, a soulmate relationship is very, very important and highlighted this week for you. I do feel you are thinking of a soulmate, or a soulmate is thinking about you. I also feel some of you are trying to move out of a breakup and move into a new relationship. Yes, it will happen. You are on the right path. Keep manifesting. Do not lose hope. Again, I also feel since Mercury is going retrograde, there will be a lot of exes coming back into your life. Yes, SOS. I'm sorry this is going to happen. Yes, but a lot of people from your past, your exes, your past friends, even your past ex husband or wife, they are all thinking about you. I think they are all in love with you this week. They are all obsessed about you, and I do feel some of them may try to even reach out to you, or they may surprise you with a social media message, like they are DMing you, texting you, or something like that. I don't see them calling, but I do see them texting to you or trying to win you back in some way. This is a great energy. Someone wants a fresh start with you. I feel it could be a rainbow relationship for you, like you guys of the same sex or something like that, or you guys are from different religion, cultures, or different age groups. So there is something specific about this relationship, but at the same time, something very magical about this relationship. Someone wants a fresh start. Someone wants you to see them in a different way. Someone also wants your forgiveness. Six of Wands, but I feel your focus is more on career. Although love is coming, you're seeking a new love relationship. But if somebody from the past knocks, I don't think so you will accept them, friends, because your focus is more on success, on career, on your future. You are trying to manifest a new relationship. If you are already married, things will be great in your marriage, or they will be getting better in your marriage. More love, more harmony, and more time for each other is coming. But if you're single, you're not so ready to mingle. Even though you are manifesting love, you are very choosy, you are very picky. If somebody from the past knocks at your door, you are like, nope, I'm taken. I do feel there is a strong chance you could be getting into a relationship by the end of this week, or someone will try to propose you, or they will surprise you by a message which you are not expecting. We'll see with the charms also who is this person. I also feel that you want to be in a relationship which has more successful, which has more success in the future. Like you don't want a short term relationship, you want a long term commitment, marriage, or a relationship. You don't want a quickie, you want to date somebody, marry them, fall in love with them, or you want and expect the same from them. So if someone comes with a short term kind of a thing, you will not be impressed. It will take a lot to impress you this week. And look at this, the magician. Oh my god, you are definitely manifesting a lot of things this week. You are the powerful magician. Look at that. I do feel you have a lot of energy, lot of power at your hand, friends. What you want will happen for you, pile number one. I'm saying it again. What you desire will happen for you. So keep desiring, taking action, and planning and preparing. So, whatever you want will happen for you. I also feel some of you may actually have to juggle this week, like what to do, because you're so focused in all areas of your life that somehow you may find it difficult to balance it all. You want success, or you are geared up about working in your career, or you are geared up about your personal life, love life. You want, I think, like, you're so focused on every aspect of your life that at one point of time you may find that this is a very busy week and you have a lot to do. You have career, you have hobbies, you have work, you have this, you have that. Yes, and I do feel some of you are manifesting more money. Yes, it is going to happen for you, friends. A lot of money is coming your way. I do see it may not happen this week, but in the coming weeks, you will see this manifestation come true, money coming your way. I also feel, friends, although there is a lot of love and romance in this week for you, but your focus is mostly on work, on career, on your future, on building some self confidence. Some of you will also be joining some hobby classes or doing something new which you have never done, like, joining a cake class, learning about making cakes, cookies, or something like that. Food is very important to you, or learning what is food, or, quitting some bad habits, like quitting certain foods which do not go well with you. That will be a very, very game changer for you. And it's a powerful week, friends. It's a powerful week. The lantern, I do feel you are guiding a lot of people without you knowing that. You are a guide, you are a lantern to a lot of people, friends. So well done. I also feel that how you feel is how the things will be around you. So you are the director of your life this week. So try to take things in your charge, try to see things in a new perspective, in a new light. Yes, don't be stuck on the past. Don't feel that anybody, like if you have a toxic ex or a toxic friend who keeps just demoralizing you, do not believe them, friends. They might come back and knock on your doors, but do not believe them. You are shining brightly, and you must continue to shine brightly and inspire others. The wings, yes, you are ready to fly, friends. This is a time to take your wings and take flight. This is also a time that your future, your keep your mind open. Anything can happen, and the best things can manifest for you easily without an effort. So keep your mind open. And let's see what else. Oh my god, number 15 seems to be important, and interestingly, this week we'll have the number 15. 15 is the date. So, message in a bottle. Wow, I do see somebody is going to message you, or you might message them, or you might surprisingly get, meet each other in the middle, like, somehow you guys can bump into a ex or somebody from your past, or some, your twin flame or somebody, or you might get a message in your dream or on your social media, or a text message. Someone is definitely thinking a lot about you. Soulmates, oh my god, love is very, very high for you this week, friends. Love is the essence for you. Soulmates, yes, I do feel, even though you're perfectly happy with yourself and your focus is more on work, career, your future, love is coming. There is a lot of love coming. You hold the key to many hearts. You hold the light of this world. I think you guys are earth angels, pile number one. So well done. A lot of people need your support. They need your light. They need what you are thinking. So please stay. If you are changing, that's good also, because a lot of people will be inspired by you. So please, I also feel there is a very special person who loves you and they want to tell you that. And interestingly, if you see that it's 15 and it's 41, it's like 15 and it's like the reverse, So somewhere I feel someone is mirroring you. I feel that. Yeah, see, look, there is also a face here. Look at that. So I do see that the universe is trying to attract somebody into your life, or bring someone is trying to attract you back, like you hold the key to their heart. So yeah, there is a lot of divine support, love coming your way, whether you want it or not. It's coming, pile number one. Let's see some advice and then your charms. Expectations, don't seek anyone's approval. Wow. Yeah, friends, you are amazing yourself and you are an inspiration to others. You may feel like others judge you harshly, or somebody from your past may say, "Oh, you are not perfect," or "You are not this." I do feel like, this week keep your expectations low, because you're gonna be surprised. Even if you keep your expectations high, you're gonna still be surprised, because there is a lot of magical energy for you this week. I also feel, friends, let the past go. If somebody judged you in the past, let them go. Like, let that expectation go. Your friends and family may be a little demanding this week, so you have to prioritize everybody and yourself. But remember, you are the Tinkerbell. I see this is a Tinkerbell. Let me see. Yeah, look at that. Here is a fairy, a Tinkerbell. So you are the light, you are the rose of your life, friends. Look after yourself and take charge of your life. You are the power. And let's see what else. Muriel, be your own first priority. Ooh, wow. This is beautiful. Number 25 and number 12 are important. So I do feel, friends, this is a week when you should put yourself first. I feel you guys are givers. You always help others. You always think of others first, and that is why you get hurt often. But this week you can keep yourself first. And also, somebody wants to tell you that they still love you. And I also feel like it could be a past pet also you lost, your past loved ones, those who are in the spirit. I mean, sometimes you all ask me like to describe it in Hindi Urdu, because it's so difficult for me to do it in Hindi Urdu. I mean, like, but I'll try. I'll try in the Hindi Urdu versions of these readings, but yeah. So I always try to use easier English, but I don't know if that's possible in easier English. So the people who you have lost, animals, pets you have lost, in the spirit world, they are also going to come in touch with you this week, or they will send you a message like a feather, like, a penny. You may see songs again and again. That is the song they are sending. Like, you lost a cat, but you found another cat that keeps hugging you, and it's like, wow, that's my cat telling me they like me. Or, it's like a surprise message of love coming from your spirit guides, from your past loved ones and pets, as well as your soulmate. So well done, pile number one. What an amazing week. And also remember that you are important and you are first, and also stay creative. There's a lot of creative energy, friends. You should use it actually. So how are you being, friends? How is the new year going? I feel a lot is happening already at the start of the new year. Were you expecting it? Well, I was expecting it, because that's my job. But not just that. Yeah, I was expecting like it would be a busy. It would be a start. It would start like this. More is coming, friends. More intense things are coming ahead. So please make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot. Click the bell icon. Share with your friends so they stay supported and strong in these strange times we are, friends. I find the times are strange. Yes, they are intense. I know many of you are going through a lot, but we'll come out of it, friends. We'll come out of it. Remember, together we are mightier. Let me just separate the charms. Wow, you have very focused charms, like very focused. Like, what's important is here, what's not is gone. I also feel, pile number one, you are going to quit some bad habits. Like, if you were overeating, you're gonna quit that. If you were over obsessively thinking about stalking an ex, you're gonna quit that. I think you're gonna really quit some bad habits. Wow, you got lots of names, initials. That's interesting. Usually we don't get so many initials. What? So you could be dealing with somebody who is in public eye, like who is actually Like I see this is somebody who wants to vote for you, like they want to tell you that like we approve you, we like you, we want you. Like you choose a candidate, they want to choose you for themselves. I also feel this is like this person you are dating or you is who is important for you. They could be a politician or somebody in the public worker, like a doctor, a lawyer, a judge, or a police cop, something like that. Range, I see the word range here. So yeah, I feel someone feels out of your range right now. They feel like they don't deserve you, but I think they want to come back, or they just want to be in your life. So they want that you should vote for them, or they should vote for you, or something like that. So your initials are VOTEN RANGE. I also feel someone could be living near a mountain or hillside, mountain range, or you could be visiting or traveling a mountain area. Look at that, the wedding ring. So chance of marriage is very, very important. If you are already married, there is a lot of love and harmony. And the wow, this is beautiful. The feathered, the winged heart. Wow, you're very, very protected, friends. Angels are protecting you a lot. The dog, loyalty. This is about loyalty. There's going to be a lot of loyalty for you. The smile with a kiss. Wow, that's beautiful. I think something will happen that will make you feel very happy this week. So yes, the heart. Yeah, I do feel you guys are taking more interest in your health, getting more fit, or some of you are setting some new goals to improve your health or work on your vitality, mental strength, creativity, art. You're doing things which help you stay positive. And the car, yeah, I do feel I do feel some of you are trying to manifest luxury, a luxurious car, or better health. You're trying to manifest all these things, a good car, better health, a bigger house, and it's going, or what do you say, a marriage with somebody, and all these things together. It is going to happen, friends. It is going to happen. I also feel somebody who owns a car or who is very fond of cars and bikes is important for you this week. And look at that. Hello, I'm a bad idea. So, oh my god, somebody from the past is coming back, or you think somebody is not a good idea or not the right person for you, is going to contact you. The hat, you are wearing the hat. You are the powerful one this week. You are the light of this world, friends. So, keep shining. 10 of years, yes, you are coming out of very difficult situations of the past. So you can now rest and enjoy. 7 of coins, patience, your patience will pay off. 8 of cups, 8 of cups is here also. Definitely, something which was over, you will recover from it. Healer, yes, I do see a lot of healing energy around you, positivity. I also see some of you could be actually taking interest in healing, yoga, reiki, all these things. 6 of wands, we had the 6 of wands. Look at that. 6 of wands, again a synchronicity. So yes, your focus is on future, on achieving, on making your dreams come true. So you are very focused about that. And 9 of wands, yes, you are very determined, friends. You are not in the mood to give up. Nobody can confuse you or waste your time this month or this week. Give green, yes, money is very important to you. You are also very lucky. Mars, yes, you are very powerful, powerful energy, lot of power, lot of action. Knight of coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus is important. 5 of coins. Yeah, I feel some of you may face some money issues this week. Like money transactions are delayed, or money was coming, it got delayed, or you might feel a little anxious about money or security issues. But remember, mother, yeah, some of you could be missing your mother. But I feel she's around you, with you always. I also feel for you, if your mother, grandmothers are very important to you. So yeah, that's it for now, pile number 1. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Instagram. And this is Mystic C saying bye bye. Friends, if you chose option number 2, let us see how this week will be for you. What's coming next for you? Charms reading. We'll be seeing your charms shortly. Let's see option number 2. Expect miracles. Wow, this week is bringing you a lot of miracles. I feel it is also bringing you happiness, like you feel like, aha, life is great. So it is bringing you a sense of peace, a sense of happiness, and I feel like you are like this rose which is smiling, which is happy and glowing. So well done, pile number 2. This is a great start for this week, and these are your oracle and advice, and we're gonna look at them shortly. These are your tarot. I love these cards. Look at the back of these cards. Aren't they beautiful? I like them. Very pretty. So, what's happening? Pile number 2. Alright, pile number 2. A lot is happening for you, pile number 2. Ten of Swords, right. Right now, you're feeling under a lot of pressure. You're feeling burdened. You could be feeling anxious. You could be feeling like at the, like there are no choices, like you are at a tough road. You are at a tough, you're at a crossroads right now. I'm feeling you are going through a situation where you feel stuck, you feel pressurized, you also feel you don't know what to do to fix this situation. Like you are done with this situation, you want to, like, you just want to give up on that situation and do something entirely different. I do feel like, you are under a lot of pressure. I feel this is mental pressure or emotional pressure. Let me just clarify this Ten of Swords, because I feel this is more, there is more to this energy. There is a lot more behind this energy. Okay, thank you. Five of Cups. Yeah, you're disappointed with life. You're feeling unhappy. You're feeling like, everything is right, but nothing, nothing really is fine. Five of Wands. Yeah, there is a lot of conflict also around you. Your heart is saying one thing, your mind is saying another thing right now. I also feel you are disappointed with people. People have really let you down. You feel also life has let you down, like, things are not going well. Eight of Wands. But I see changes coming for you this week. There is a lot of potential for change this week for you. So you should not, if you are planning to give up, please do not. If you are feeling hopeless, this is the week where your hope gets restored. Why? Expect miracles. I keep seeing a golden butterfly, so I feel butterflies are important for you as a symbol. You may have a butterfly tattoo, or you may actually go ahead and get a butterfly tattoo this week, because you may draw a butterfly or you may see butterflies, because I see positive changes are coming your way. And Queen of Wands, wow. Some Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is important, or you could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius yourself. I also feel, definitely, friends, you are feeling right now powerless, like you can't change a situation, but this is going to change this week. You will realize that you have the power to come out of any situation. You have the power to change your life. You have the power to say no. You have the power to heal or balance your, these pressures, mental, emotional, physical pressures. Let's see what else. Nine of Wands. Yes, friends, you're very, very close to achieving your goals. This is not a time to give up, friends. Pile number 2. You are very close to achieving your goals. Yes, you are struggling. I understand that things are tough, times are tough for you. But remember, the more you stick and the more you do not give up, the better and higher your success rate will be. I also feel that at work there will be certain competition for you. If you are giving for some exams, there is a lot of competition. So please prepare well, because you, instead of worry, try to prepare better, because improve your performance, improve your preparation, because that will really help you. If you just keep worrying, it will only ache your head. And I feel some of you may be having cold this week, or you could end up having anxiety, like sleeplessness this week, or I don't know, you could overthink a lot this week, because Mercury retrograde is going to affect you, and this is the Ten of Swords, exactly Mercury retrograde in Aquarius. This is that which is going to affect you. But remember, friends, so how you can break this energy which is going to affect you? First, you prepare. Secondly, instead of worry, you see how blessed you are, what you can do to change the situation. Secondly, you should not give up. You are a fighter, and that's exactly what you need to do. Keep fighting. You will find your success. If you are going for an interviews, please try to give your best and even beyond, because that's really going to get you the job. If you are just trying to be there, it won't help. I also feel at your workload will be very high. You will have to work extra or extra hours. I also feel even at even if you are a student, there is a lot to do. There might be deadlines, a lot of, and at the end, delays that might affect you at the end of the movement. Some plans are made for your, some like, you have to submit a project, there is a project, there is this, there is a seminar happening. So deadlines will really affect you. Even if you are a student, you have to catch up with that, and be prepared. But I also feel you are a warrior, so this will really work in your favor. The sun success is coming your way. I do see that the more positive you are, the better this week will be. I also see some of you are working towards fame. You want something like fame, money, success, celebratory status. Yes, it is going to happen for you. Absolutely, it is going to happen. It will take certain time, like more than a week or so, but it will happen for you. It's already in happening for you, so please stick to your goals. Please do not give up. I also feel that happiness is going to come. You may have a lot of workload, but your bosses may surprise you with a raise or something, or some sort of a compliment, or some sudden gifts may come to you, and you are like, wow, we were not expecting gifts, but you are like, yes, the universe will praise you for your hard work. I also see that any efforts you put this week will turn into luck for you. It will also turn into success and happiness for you. So keep moving ahead, keep going. I also feel some of you are trying to lose weight, or you are setting some fitness goals. I don't know what, like you want to get six packs or something. Yes, you will be able to achieve it, friends. You will be able to achieve it, because there are some goals you want to achieve, and you have to work hard, but you will be successful. You will start to see the results very soon. What else? Let's see. The star. Wow, my God, this is a week where your wishes are definitely going to come true. You are going to find the hope that's been missing from your life. Some sort of, some things, you feel like life is right now a little hopeless, but your hope and faith will be restored, friends. The start of the year has not been the greatest for anybody, like in the world. If you see, a lot is happening, but remember, it's not what is happening today that matters. Eventually, where we are leading, that is also important. So yes, there is hope in this world. The sun is still shining, the moon is still as romantic as it was in the past, the wind is still there, the water is still with us, so we have hope. Remember? Oh my God, I can't believe it. Sometimes I talk like, a 2 year, like a 2 year old child. Oh my God. So please remember, this week will provide you the hope that you need. It will restore your faith. It will show you what you need to do. Also, this is the week your creativity will be very, very high. Also, I feel not just creativity, your, dreams will be very important. So please write down your dreams. You will get a lot of signs through your dreams. Your message, a lot of messages will be coming through dreams or through your meditations. So please do follow that meditations, or just sitting calmly reading a book. It will really help you give a lot of breakthroughs, inspiring ideas. Yes, some of you may also be questioning whether you are on the right path or not in life, in love, in general. Are you on the right path? Yes, yes, yes. This week will tell you you are going in the right direction. There are tough situations in your life, but keep at it, keep fighting. You're gonna see this light. You see everywhere in both these cards, you are underwater and moving towards the light. You see, here you're going upwards. This is, it can't get worse than this, friends. Anything that's worrying you, bothering you, yes, I won't say you are challenge free. No, there are challenges in your life, but this is how the worst is over. It's behind you. Now you are moving towards success. Now you are moving towards hope. Now you are moving towards light. And this week will bring that to you. It will show it to you. The Knight of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag person. Yes, I do feel a fire sign will be important for you. I also feel the more active you are, the better it will be for you, because otherwise your mind is very powerful. Your mind will take over this week if you allow it to, if you let it. So please remain active, keep taking, actions like walking, jogging, or stay active. Keep making little goals for yourself, and you will be very happy this week. I also feel a very passionate person is important for you. Aries, Leo, Sag person. Someone wants to offer you a gift, someone wants to offer you company, partnership, relationship, or maturity. Look at that, the King of Wands. Wow. I feel this is your twin flame. Aries, Leo, Sag person. Yeah, I do feel some of you could be dealing with two lovers or a choice in love to choose this person or not. I also feel some of you could be dealing with a soulmate and a twin flame. Another thing I'm feeling is somebody was behaving very stupidly or immaturely. That person will show you that they are changing, they are maturing, and all is not yet lost. So there is still hope in this situation in your love life. There is still maturity that will happen in this person, or they will surprise you with doing something which you never expected this person to do. I also feel for some of you, there's a choice between the old lover and a new lover. Someone who was in no contact could be trying to contact you again, and this time they are far mature than they were in the past. I also see some of you could be wanting, or you are yearning for a past lover, but I do see somebody new also coming in your life. So there's a lot of hope in this reading. There is also a lot of fighter spirit. I also feel your relationships are highly passionate. So just be careful to handle the passions well, because it can lead to a conflict, it can lead to a conflict if you are not careful. Let's see. Yeah, Nine of Pentacles. Keep valuing yourself and keep peace important. Peace is very important, and accept only proposals which value you. You may, you love somebody from the past, you really really love that person, but I feel they don't treat you well, friends. They give you cold wars, cold shoulders. They are defensive, they are aggressive, they are lustful. So please, if you feel it is that kind of a person, keep your distance. Self respect high. Yeah, I do feel someone will try to message you. Your love life will be very, very quick, and this is a quick week for you. I do see someone will try to message you. You could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini also this week. I also feel there is a little bit of conflicting energy in your love life, so I would suggest you to keep your patience and keep your distance if you want peace in your work as well as love relationships. Milk. Wow, yes. I would say, this week will bring you the comfort that you need. You are looking for the miracles that you are looking for, the comfort, the nourishment that you are looking for. Hedgehog, yes, you are very self-protective this week. You are like, I want to protect myself. I want to protect my goals. I want to protect my baby. If you are married, you want to protect your children. If you are you want to protect your projects, your goals, you are like, oh, this is mine, I want to protect it. You are like a hedgehog, self-protective, but remember, no one is trying to get to you. You are very powerful. You don't need to always use a sword. You can get things just by honey also, so try that. Fork in the road, yes, changes are coming. This week is for changes. This week is also about choosing which is the right path for you, which is the right person for you. Also, this week, you are at crossroads, but you will make the right choices. Remember, number 13 is also important. Serendipity, number 18. Yeah, you are attracting what you want, friends. You are definitely, the star is like you are moving towards. Again, you see, this is exactly the same card. My God. Just look at it. Again, this mermaid is moving towards the sun. And again, this fairy is moving towards this clover. So yes, you are moving towards very, very close towards your goal. So you have nothing to worry about. You are on the right path. You just need to believe and keep taking action. Have faith. Let's see some advice for you. Lighthouse, don't doubt your worth. Yes, friends, you are worthy. You're amazing. You're absolutely fantastic. You have been through a lot of issues, I feel. Some of you could actually be dealing with third parties this week. It will get a little complex, but if you try to value yourself, things will be better. I also feel some of you could be dealing with, if you're going through any legal issues like court cases or something like that, distance will be a good thing for you, like not involving, this, or at least try some distance. Try not to worry too much, because that's important. And secondly, I see hope coming in there, so don't worry too much. And value yourself. You are amazing, friends. You don't need to listen to people who tell you you are not good enough. There might be family telling you, oh, you should not color your hairs, oh, you should not do this, you should not follow your dreams, you should give up because it's not succeeding. If it's right, if it feels right for you, go for it. You are worthy, friends. I do see somebody from the past will try to convince you to allow them in, but I would say value yourself. Gold, you don't need someone else's to fix you. You are the gold, friends. You are absolutely gold. You are not broken. You are amazing. You are on the right path. If you are single and trying to manifest love, it is going to happen for you. Keep the faith. You are on the right path. And I do see a lot of money, a lot of success coming for you. So keep at it. Number 36 is important. Do not let others tell you what you need to do. You are amazing. And let's see your charms. I also feel some of you want to fix a past relationship or a past situation. Like you want to fix it. You like that person, so you want to fix it. But I think there is a reason why it's broken. There is a reason why it's not working. You must let it be. You must trust and accept. Option number 2. I do feel you guys have a headache, or it's starting, the headache is starting. You guys will think a lot, friends. Seriously. Oh my god, that's a lot of charms. So, very busy week. Cluttered also. I feel like your mind is jumbled up. Oh, okay, I see what is going on here. Okay, you have the letter E and the teacup in it. Kia could be a name for somebody. Wake, yeah, I think some of you may have trouble waking up on time, or you may feel a little too lazy. But it's vital that we all have good routines now, friends, because everything else is going like this. We need to keep our routines good. So let's see the initials first. There is Kale. Kale could be a name. There is also Mally. That could be a name. Mally. PK. PK could be a name. Yeah, I feel like you guys actually, you guys need to sleep. I think you haven't slept well in a few days, few weeks, I guess. You're really tired, friends. Do you realize it? I think you are not realizing you need some rest. Your body needs some rest. Please take it. Otherwise, I see some, sinuses, cold, something minor issues happening if you do not take some rest. So MALYKEKEWP, these are the initials for you. Let's see, the number 66 is important. Number 28 is important. Number 7, it could be July, is important. Number 1, January is important. Number 6, you could be in a life path number 6, or the date of 6 as date is important. Wow, something will happen that will make you blush this week. Some compliments are coming. The hat, yeah, I do feel you are, believe in yourself, friends. Spoil yourself, buy yourself some gifts, love yourself. The tea is like, take some time, relax, meditate, sip a cup of tea, enjoy life. Do not think, do not overthink. Boot, yes, I do feel for you. Some of you, it will be good to go for a walk to stay active, or to hit the gym or something like that. Just do something that keeps, dance a little if you cannot go out. Dance a little. Or you are attracting a fitness freak. Some of you may also buy some new shoes also, or you may lose some shoes. This is also about direction, where you are going in life. You are on the right path. Long distance connections are important for you this week. News is also coming from long distance, and some of you could actually be planning for a travel or some sort of a trip. Sorry to say, it may get delayed, or you may overthink a lot, but it's okay. You'll be fine if you travel. The lion, yes, you are very powerful, friends. You are very powerful. You must believe in it. The golden leaf, money is coming your way. Abundance income is coming your way. The weed leaf, you're obsessed about somebody, or someone is obsessed about you. I feel some of you are hypnotic, in the sense like you constantly keep thinking about one thing, one situation, one goal. So try to psychedelic music, psychedelic art, mandalas, all these things will appeal to you. But I feel try to stay balanced. Butterfly, oh my god, I told you I saw a butterfly, right? A golden butterfly. Here it is. Wow, abundance is coming, change is coming, good changes. The crown, yes, you are the crown of some of you will be crowned. You will have that success, that fame that you deserve, and that is yours. I also feel some of you will get awards or rewards or recognition. Attachment, someone is very attached with you, friends. You have to be careful, because I see this could be somebody which is not right for you. And there are two weed leaves, so yes, you are obsessed about somebody, they are obsessed about you. Be careful, there is a lot of attachment here. Six of air, yes, you are moving ahead, absolutely. Five of air, someone has ghosted you, blocked you in the past, they are thinking about you. Three of cups, they put you in a third party, but they want you back now this week. They could be like, knock knock knock, hi baby, I'm here. Ten of coins, family is very important, friends. Family, inheritances, legal issues, or even like some of you may be worried about, should you take your children for the new health issues that you have, like vaccination and all those kind of things. So family focus is very important. Nine of coins, again, value yourself, you're very strong. Eight of cups, yes, somebody from the past wants to call again. They want to be your friend. They have put you in third parties. Three of coins, they want to now. And I think that person will reach you because they need your help. Someone will need your help. Ten of cups, again, family is very important. Some of you could be dealing with a marriage proposal also this week. The king of wands, Aries, Leo, Sag person, monkey. Yeah, remember, someone is still immature. Be careful of that person, the immature person. You may feel they have changed, but I feel they are still the same. So yes, that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C.
Hi,
Saying
beautiful
bye bye.
angels.
So if you chose option number 3, let us see what's coming next for you, friends, this week. Divine timing. Wow, I feel this is a very, very powerful week for you. There is a lot of divine order, divine timing, fated things, fated happenings, manifesting for you. I also feel. It is a very fated and destined week for you. So yes, we'll see more of it in the cards now and in the charms. So let's see. These are your oracle and advice. These are your tarot and charms. I'm gonna pull shortly after I complete the reading. So what's happening right now? All right. Wow. Friends, I don't know why, but it feels like right now you're waiting for some sort of a justice that needs to happen in your life. It's very strong energy I'm getting from this whole pile. It's very difficult for me to explain also and describe it in words. This is a very strong energy. Some of you are going through major life issues. Some of you could be actually waiting for balance to come into your life, justice to happen. Some of you could actually be dealing with legal issues, or you are waiting when life will give you your reward, when life will reward you with what is what is justifiably yours, when life will give you that love, that work, that money, that success, that peace of mind. When will life come into balance? That those you are asking big questions. Why this happened to me? Why this person left me? Why I'm not being successful? Why? You have big questions in your mind, friends. You are waiting for justice, and you have put your sword down that you will not accept anything less than what you deserve. And I think that's the energy, and that's very, very powerful of you. You have been through tremendous tough situations in the past. People have used you. I feel people have also abused you. Some situations literally went out of balance. You were completely wronged. They were completely unfair situations for you. But I feel you are going to come out of it, friends. And you are asking some big questions this week, right now, also, like, where is my justice? Why am I waiting? Big questions. And that's exactly the answer is here, divine timing. Things are happening in the most perfect way for you. You need to trust things are going to balance out in you. You need to remember that no matter how tough the ride, the winner always wins. You are a winner. You are a warrior. You will win. Wow, this is very intense, friends. This is very intense. So, what is going to happen this week? You're going to be really busy, friends. Yes, absolutely. This is going to be a busy week for you. You're going to find a lot of support, a lot of support, help from others at your work and career. I also see if you were struggling with money, money is coming for you, friends. Money is coming, like if you spend one, money is coming in doubles, triples, and more. I also see a lot of support from your colleagues, your friends, or from the universe. So you will feel supported. Till now you felt alone, you felt abused, you felt misused. Now this week changes your karma, it changes the karmic cycle, it changes the destiny, it brings justice, it brings support for you. In your work and career, people will be more positive about you, they will be more helpful about towards you. I also feel joint work, collaborations, teamwork, those things will matter more to you rather than working solo. I also feel you're very involved at your work. I feel you are very, very busy. Two of Pentacles, yes, absolutely. You are extremely busy this week. It will be a very fast week for you. You have a lot of workload. Some of you could be working, if you are a student, you are working on projects, teamwork, joint projects, joint group studies. And yes, you will be able to achieve much more with a group study than alone. I also feel this week your focus is on, stabilizing, securing your life, your money. Some of you could be investing, learning about investing. You are learning new things, how to start a business, how to run a company, what is designing, what is textiling. You are learning new things. You are learning things about finances and putting them into practice. This is a very powerful time for you, friends. This week is very powerful. I'm still getting goosebumps. And let's see what else. Wow, Three of Wands. Yes, your focus for the future is very, very high, friends. You are definitely focusing on your future. You are trying to improve your future because you know what you have been through in the past. And you know you don't deserve to be at this place. You don't deserve to be, like what you went through, it should not have happened. You deserve better things, and it's going to happen. Your future is very bright. This week will assure you that your future is bright, and you are going to achieve the dreams that you dream. I also feel for some of you this week, what do you say, permissions from the authority. Yeah, those things are very important. Like, getting a passport done, getting a visa, getting a degree, or getting a certification, getting justice, legal documents, legal cases, inheritances, properties, all these things, money, shared finances, joint ventures, all these things are very, very, very important. And I also feel you'll be very excited about your future this week, because you are like, yes, I feel positive about my future. What has happened has happened. That's old, that's gone. But now I'm excited about my future. So that is the energy, and you are looking forward to it. And the Hermit, in love, there is a person who is very quiet. Okay, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. I'm getting two things. Some of you are dealing with a person who is very quiet in love. It could be a long distance connection, or you are dealing with somebody who never ever expresses their feelings, and you are like, what is wrong with this person? This is so injustice. This is not fair. Why you keep your feelings to yourself? But that is how this person is. They like to observe, they like to experience rather than express. So yeah, that's their energy. Someone, I also feel, if you are single, someone is definitely trying to admire you from the far. Someone is admiring you. You have a lot of secret admirers who are silent, but they actually love the way you are. They look forward to your post and sharing, and they like you. I also feel, so I also felt one thing. I think pile number three, some of you are confused whether you should stay on social media or take a break. I think you are really on the verge of like, is this doing me any good? You have big questions. Remember this week? Is social media doing me any good? Nope. I'm going away for a break. And then you are like, nope, I miss social media. I want to come back. So some of you are like, should I take a break from social media or not? But I think there are people who actually like you. There are secret admirers who wait for you and for your post and sharing. So yeah, that's happening there. The Queen of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag person is important. I do see you can bring a lot of passion in your love life by enjoying and living in the present moment. If you keep focusing on the past or what went wrong, you can lose a lot of good moments this month or this week. And if you keep focusing on the future also, you can make a lot of fun, passion in your love life. So focus on the present and the future rather than the past. What is gone, but you know, today is a new day, and you are going to be like this bride, happy, like this groom, happy, beautiful, glowing, full of joy. I also feel some of you are waiting to get married, and you're, you know, like it gets keep getting postponed or something, or delayed. But you know, Mercury is going retrograde, so any delays are actually divine protections for you. So you know, nothing wrong with it. Divine timing. I also feel some of you are dealing, you know, like you and your lover are not on the same page. When you are passionate, they are cold. When they are passionate, you are like not in the mood. So there is a difference of energies. But I think you will be able to manage it or come out of it this week. The death, my God. Big changes are coming for you, friends. Big changes. I feel some of you will actually be able to let go of a past situation, release some sort of a negativity, some sort of a past karma, some sort of a debt, some loans. You will be able to pay them off this week or in the coming months. I also feel some of you will be able to let go of a divorce case or some legal issues or some endings, and you will actually feel free from the weight of those past situations. Let's take a clarifier what this is about. I also feel this is also about like you want somebody else to leave their third party or some, you know, long distance and come towards you. I feel yes, you want that. That person also is thinking the same, like they want to leave the distance and come towards you. To Ten of Cups, yes, family is very important. Some of you actually could be moving out of the family into separate homes, or some of you could be visiting family. You could, family is very important for you, friends, this week. I also feel you may face some issues with family, but remember, family is family. There is nobody like family. Nobody can hate you like them. Nobody can love you like them. They can support you. They can also say things which you don't like. So but remember, they are family. They are always first. So try to forgive somebody. Try to forgive them and love them. because I feel changes are coming, friends. Things will change. Things will not always be the same. Like if you are a teenager going through issues, you will move out of the house, you will go for work, and then you will miss your family, and you are like, wow, I miss them now. Why I was fighting with them? So those things are happening. Yes, a very powerful new start is going to happen. I do see there is a new karmic cycle that's going to manifest for you this week. I also see a new start is happening. Some of you may find a marriage proposal. Some of you may find a very strong, stable commitment coming your way. I do see you are moving out of these tough situations. You know, this justice kind of a situation. King of Swords and Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is also important. I also feel like be very clear, friends. You are very clear. You know, like clarity is very important for you, friends, and also clarity of mind, clarity about your future. So don't drag the past with you. Just remain in the present moment, and remain with the knowledge that yes, justice is happening. Justice has always happened for you, and things that you desire or working for, it will manifest for you. I also feel that you need to, in your love life, there is conflict, friends. I will be honest here. There are certain difference of opinion, because one person is quiet, one is passionate. You want expression, that person wants silence, and you are like, what difference, what is going on? Don't worry, things will balance out. Things will balance out. Book, yes, I do see some of you could be reading more books, some of you could be taking a break from social media or interacting with a lot of friends or a lover or family, and you could be focusing. You could also be preparing for exams, and you are like, I don't have time to socialize, please let me study. Volcano, yes, you have a lot of emotions, you have a lot of passions, and your relationships are volcanic. Yes, so peace, remain calm, remain calm. Om Shanti. Higher power. Oh my god, friends, this is definitely a very fated week for you. So please take care. Don't try to do anything risky, because there is divine timing involved. Also, don't try to lash out or be angry on anyone, because this is a highly fated week for you. I also see you will see some justice happening in your life, some sort of a balance returning back into your life. And clean it up, number 21. Yeah, somebody from the past or some situation that was really messy is going to heal, or it will automatically get better. So let's see some advice. Villain, you can always rewrite the story. Yeah, you may feel that somebody is not behaving the right way. It could be family, it could be a lover, but you can change the perspective. You can always rewrite the story. I also see a lot of blames and accusations, like you say that person was wrong, and they say, no, you were wrong. You did that. No, you did that. I know it happens, and with Mercury retrograde, it often seems bigger. Such issues seem bigger and more intense, but you can, you see, she's breaking this shell with the stone because she's scared that it might have a snail. But snails can't do much, they can't harm you. So remember, things that scare you are actually not as scary as they look. Nostalgia, focus on the here and now. Yeah, I do feel some of you are missing somebody from the past, or you want things, you want to be healed, you don't want to be broken, you want to be perfect, you want some situation to go back as it was, like money to come into your life, or maybe a relationship to heal. But it's good to be focused in the present rather than the past. Okay, let's see some charms for Thailand this week. Okay, I'm gonna keep them a little aside. So your initials are P, S, and N. You have few initials, so I feel these people are important. Somebody named with P, S, and N. Number 77 is important. Number 777 is important for you. Teacup, yes, I do feel some of you will be getting invited to social events or parties. Some of you may actually have to meet friends also, or socialize with family, spend time with them. I also see the red car. Red car is being passionate, don't be too emotional, try to be passionate. Green car is about money coming your way, also healing. Strawberry is, hey, I miss you, I want you back. Strawberry is also about exciting, passionate relationships coming your way, or you crushing on somebody, or somebody is crushing on you. Wow, the mushroom. I feel this is a very hypnotic or a very passionate kind of a week for you. You will feel passionate about everything. If you are demanding justice, it's passionate. If you are asking for love, it's passionate. If you are going for exams, it's passionate. Your passion, ambition is high. This is about progress. So progress is coming. You are already on the path of progress. This is also about third parties. So there may be some third parties, but you may still find it difficult from separating from this person. There is like this intense attachment between you and somebody. Wedding, yeah, I do feel wedding ring. Some of you will be getting a commitment, or you could be discussing marriage with family or seeing arranged marriage proposals. The boot, yes, taking action is much more important. Being active will be good for you. Also, you'll be on your toes the whole week. Hello, I'm a bad idea. You who a lot of exes are coming back, or everyone is thinking about their past this week. So, yeah. Dog, loyalty. I also feel you could be feeling like you have been too loyal, too trustworthy of life, and that is why you were let down. I think that eventually what you lost will come back, or well, let's say like this, eventually what you gave, it will come back to you, so you never lose really. And the tree of life, family is very important. The 5, yes, change is coming, positive change is coming. 3 of cups, new friendships are coming. And patience, yes, your patience is going to pay off. 9 of coins, a lot of money, a lot of investment, a lot of self trust, self value, and a lot of faith is coming towards you. Creativity, oh my god, I said creativity. This is unique. Be creative, be unique, be you. Beautifully you. And you are the sunshine. You make my sunshine when my skies are gray. So yeah, I do feel people are definitely, people love you. They are silent, they don't express it, but they do need you, they love you, and they do respect you. And that's it for now. Pile number 3. Subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C Singh. Bye bye.